Yan guys, ang aking NAAN bread. Okay, kita nyo? Diba? So yummy and crispy. Right, so this is my ingredients. Cup of yogurt, cup of flour, that's the flour, plain flour. So, and also teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon of sugar, pinch of salt, and also we need olive oil, and also splash of milk. That's easy to do because we need to mix the up with our flour. So we're gonna blend it that with a splash of milk. Okay, because earlier I also cook sutanghon, as you can see that sutanghon. So it's better that to make your own tinapay or bread for your side. So that's a good combinations of soup and naan bread. So all right guys, see you around and we will start this. Okay, we need to start, so we need to prepare our dough. Okay, so I'll just mix it up together. I'll put the flour, 1 cup of flour, and also teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon of sugar, pinch of salt. Okay, and also we put a little bit of hole on the middle, so we can put our yogurt, so the yogurt will do the flavors on our naan bread. Okay, and also splash of olive oil. Okay, all right, now gently mix the up together. All right, so need splash of milk. So that's a good thing, it's sticky now. Try a bit more of splash of milk. Yeah, here we go guys. Yeah, ito na po yung ating dough, no? Yan, mix lang natin yung ating dough. Ito yung ating dough guys, diba? Yan, dough natin. You can see that. Nice and fluffy, diba? So, ganyan natin konti lang. Medyo madikit-dikit. Mix lang natin yan guys. Yan o. Yan. So, kita nyo yung ating dough. Yan. So, what you do is cut it off. Kung may rolling pen kayo. Rolling pen. Ganyan lang. Depende kung kalaki. Then now I'll try on the pan. Okay, try to cook it now. Heat the pan up. Okay. So medyo maliit siya. So medyo sticky siya. So control nyo lang yung dough nyo, no? Simple ingredients lang ito guys yung paggawa ng NAAN bread. NAAN bread. Yan. Kasi na-miss ko rin yung mga pagkain sa Middle East. Kaya naisipan ko rin po i-partner sa aking sutanghon. Chicken sutanghon. So, kaya naisipan ko pong magawa nito. Let's see kung magaya ko pa yung aking dating ginagawa na NAAN. Kasi nyo kung gano'ng kalaki ang gusto nyo. Ayan. Try na natin. Press natin konting olive. Ayan. Siguro guys mga 3 minutes each side. Yan. Gawa ulit tayo ng isa pa. I-ready na natin. Depende sa laki ng inyong kawali, kung gaano kalaki inyong kawali. So, yan lang po kalit ng kawali, kaya ganyan po siya. Yan. Yan po. Tansyahin nyo lang po yung yung heat nyo, kung gaano kalakas. Yan, sa 3 minutes each side. Ayan po, ayan lang po siya. Hindi pang commercial, kaya ganyan lang po siya. I'll put butter before I fry it or before I cook it there. Alright, so I'm gonna rub butter on the top of the one side of each, so that I'm gonna be added some flavor on my naan bread. Okay. That's better. That's enough, I think. Alright, alright guys, see guys, that's my naan bread. Okay. You can do also a garlic and coriander flavor if you want to. Just twist it if you want. This is only plain naan bread. As you can see that guys. So it's almost there. So naan bread is good side dish for my sutanghon. Alright. Okay. So that's why I made this, because I don't have any bread. I don't have any bread in there, so I prepared bakely fresh as you prepared, as you like. So that's why I made my own naan bread. It's almost there guys, look. Alright. See? Ooh. It's a bit hot. Yan guys, ang aking naan bread. Okay, kita nyo? Diba? So yummy and crispy. Hi guys, yan po yung aking naan bread with sutanghon. So side dish po ang naan bread ko na freshly made by me, obviously. Yan. And also may chicken sutanghon. Yan po siya. So guys, that's it po. Tara na guys, kain na po tayo. Salamat po sa panonood guys. Thank you po. God bless all you guys. Salamat.